Right guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create this input search filters here, creating two inputs. One is from, another one is to. So here, just to explain what I did. So I created these two inputs, a save button, just like an example, like product and price. Then I also created this repeating group here, and then another group here with text. Here, text, and then two inputs. So the first thing you need to do is, we need to change the settings for this input. I have changed to Eurodate because I'm from South America. I don't really use the American standard date. So it will be like days, months, and years. So obviously I did the same here on the second one. And then now we need to create the constraints on this repeating group to filter exactly the date range we're looking for. Let's go to the repeating group, click on the search products, and then we need to add two constraints. One is related to the from input. And then again, I'm using the created date. Eventually you can create a input in your form, which is date, but I'm using the created date here just for the example. So the first input needs to be greater or equal to the from input from value, right? So here's the first end of our range. So the second end of our range will be created date as well, less or equal to input value. But there's another thing we have to do, which is change the hours to 23, change again the minutes to 59, and the seconds to 59 as well. So the reason I'm doing this is because here on the input fields, we can't really add seconds or minutes or hours. We can only add like days, months, and years. And you guys may know that whenever you create a new entry on a database on Bubble, it also creates not only days, months, and years, but it also creates hour, minutes, and seconds. So whenever we're searching for a date range here, we need to make sure that we cover the whole day. Let's say a product was created like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We need to make sure that we include this in the filter. And then we do that by changing the hour of this from and to 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. So this way we can cover the whole day. So let's go back to the repeating group. So you got the created date greater or equal the input from's value, and then created date less or equal the input to's value with that change I just said. There's one thing we need to remember here is we need to tick this box, ignore empty constraints. Otherwise, this filter will try to search for like an empty value, and then nothing will return. So we need to make sure we ignore empty constraints. So now let's test this. So unfortunately, I created all those items on today's date, so I can't really, show you how it works in the different months. And I don't have the pro version of Bubble where we can download the CSV and change the date. So let's just play with from date will be 24th of June 2025 up to 26th of June 2025. And then all of them turn up, right? But if we change this 25th of May 2025 up to 10th of June 2025, nothing will turn up. So that's how you create this filter, which is very handy for some cases. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions and I might be able to answer those questions, please comment below, and I'll see you next time.